The Seeker age is finally here, and with it, very interesting apps that will change how we interact and socialize. Here is one of those apps, and we're here for it. Pun intended. Exclusively built for the Solana Seeker, and unlike any of your regular launchpads, here it is solving two main problems: actual instant sharing and tokenizing real-world moments. In an internet crowded with AI images and synthetic moments, this is a project that goes back to basics: human-generated content. Photos taken by real people in real places in real moments. No filters, no fabrications, just the world as it is. At its very core, here is building a community grounded in authenticity. Every photo becomes a signal of what is real. And it's actually very easy to use. Just grab your Solana Seeker, open the Here app, connect with your account, and then just open your camera and start shooting. Instantly upload it to the app with a name and a description. Now that image has its own market. Through tokenization, every photo now becomes an asset that a user can own, trade, and monetize, making authenticity part of the on-chain economy. But the vision goes even further. Here is creating what Solana has been missing: a true social layer. This system rewards users for capturing real-world moments through the Seeker, converting authenticity into a network asset. So real life becomes a sort of social capital. With a strong team and real experience in consumer and mobile apps, here is powered by even stronger partners. Jupiter and Meteora provide liquidity and distribution across Solana, and with the exclusive Seeker, they have a rare device layer moat that sets it apart. They are not reinventing social, they're restoring it, bringing back what it feels like to see the world through human eyes, and turning real moments into digital value. This is Here, a return to the real. Check them out and see you in the next one.